Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. Welcome to the print-on-demand design research video here in the bootcamp. We'll jump right into it. Quick overview because I want to go over the shoulder and show you how to do this. Really two big things that you want to be understanding. Number one, you're going to be in product research mode 24/7. You want to live inside of your niche. This means literally eating, sleeping, breathing your niche, liking all the pages, following all the influencers, watching all the videos, subscribing to the biggest TikToks in your niche, etc. So you know exactly what's going on. That's a free thing that you should be kind of doing in the background at all times. So you can constantly build up a list of design ideas. That's the goal here. We want to use this product research strategy to have a huge list of design ideas. That's kind of a free way, or otherwise known as an organic way to do it. I'm going to show you over the shoulder now with the print-on-demand design research tool, Zeek Analytics. You see the link inside here in the bootcamp. Really powerful. Again, the best tool since T-Spy because it actually shows the sales numbers. I'm going to show you this right inside the tool, and we'll go over the shoulder. And really the cool part about Zeek Analytics is the fact that they have a lot of different things over here. First of all, lots of different features over here, and I've got a step-by-step video in terms of how to use it on my YouTube, of course, but I want to show you the strategy here in terms of actually going in and going through one of these two areas, Store Finder or Product Explorer. And you'll see on the right-hand side of both of these, we have the option for product or store type. And this is really powerful, of course. We're going to click Print on Demand. And you see there are other filters as well. We could look at social channels. So again, you see over here, use filter to discover stores and products that use specific social channels or ads channels. This is even cooler, right? See who's advertising on Snapchat. See who's advertising on Pinterest, right? We'll be able to check off those boxes and find stores that are print on demand and are inside of those channels. Lots of other filters here as well. We could do search by keyword. We could exclude keyword. We can come over here and do USA only if we wanted. We could do UK only if we wanted, right? You can go over here and have all these different filters like language, currency, sales date range. We could look 60 days, 30 days, 14, 7 days. We could even set a minimum, right? So we only want to see stores that have done $10,000 or more. Or we only want to find small stores that have only done up to $5,000, right? All these different filters. I'm sorry, that's number of sales. Here's the dollar of sales. Right here would be minimum $10,000. This would be minimum 10,000 pieces sold quantity, right? Dollars, active products. Really, really cool. So let's just keep it as simple as possible, though. Print on demand. Okay, I'm going to show you. Click search over here. And this is the store search here. So as you can imagine, obviously, what's being returned are stores. And we could literally come over here and scroll all day long and get that kind of automatic infinite scroll here as we go down, and we're just looking at this tool. I'm going to load up a lot of them over here. And these are all print-on-demand stores. And if we come over here, you can take a quick preview of the kind of screen capture of their homepage. See different examples. See how many products are in here. And you'll notice trends if you pay attention here. Print-on-demand stores tend to have lots and lots of products because it's so easy to have multiple products. When you have one design, you could have 20 different T-shirts and 10 hoodies and wall canvases and posters and mouse pads and jackets and shoes and all these cool print-on-demand items. So see, very easy to get up to some high amounts. And if we were to take a look at a store like this, Skullaholic.com, this is just such an easy kind of niche to jump into, and you have the confidence here, seeing and knowing that these designs actually sell, that this store does really well. 12,355 sales. $361,000 in revenue, and you want to remember this is just in the last 30 days, right? This is our date range. So understanding these are really, really powerful stores, and we could really just keep looking at all these different stores, right? We take a look and see a little preview of it or whatever, but really the kind of the true power is when we click onto the name of the store, we get brought into the sales tracker individual store page. And now we get to see things that are very, very relevant to how we can literally run our entire business. So again, we're looking at 30-day sales range here. And what we're able to take a look at is the actual products that have sold. We can see the revenue that have sold attached to each of these products. We could then click directly into the product. Okay, so as always, it's always been like this with print on demand. We're not ever going to copy this design pixel for pixel, but we are going to know a lot of different things about this. First of all, we're going to understand that this type of color scheme works in this niche. The design with skulls and flowers and text can work in this niche. T-shirts and V-neck shirts can work in this niche. This is the pricing that works in this niche, right? A lot of different styles here that we're trying to understand, right, and take a look at. Two-sided print, right, that works. And how do we know that it works? Well, literally it's telling us right over here, sold 13 of these in the past 30 days. And you see how quickly that adds up when you have all these different print-on-demand products selling 11, 10, 13, 11, 12 products, right? Clicking again into it, seeing the exact product on the store, saying, okay, this is going to be the style that I'm looking to do. So really, really powerful here. It's not guessing. It's not doing design research saying, you know, what products have been in stores over the past 15 years. It's saying, okay, these are the top-selling products in a store that did over $300,000 last month. And we know that because of the stats we have right here. How about literally what's selling right now? I just find this to be amazing in terms of this tool. Literally able to know what's selling today, right now. All these sales are today, and you know, very successful store. You see this is all still today. Today. Wow. Right, they're doing really well. See all those print-on-demand sales over there. And we want to know, okay, what sold? Well, you click into this and say, okay, and maybe you have a store and you want to do a cat store, and you say, well, this doesn't work at all for me. You know, I'm not going to sell skulls on my cat store. It doesn't make sense. Well, that's not the point then. Right? The point is that you're able to understand that this type of product sold. So instead of obviously having something with skulls in your cat store, you make seat covers over here, and you sell them for $60, and you put your cat design on it. Right, so this doesn't only have to be about the design research. It's also about what print-on-demand products are selling. And again, these sales are coming in probably just a couple minutes ago. So you see, obviously, the bulk of these are T-shirt, 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 right? All these T-shirts. This one sold just a few minutes ago. Okay, we can come over, click. Here's a hoodie. Okay, I think something cool that you notice, they have their little watermarked logo up there on the top. They have it on all the images. Looks like they actually do it automatically. Maybe an app is doing that. So you see the pricing that it's selling at, right? Much higher than $39.99 that things used to be sold at. So let's see. We have our leather bag, right? And again, you say, well, this design is not going to work for selling, you know, T-shirts about being a teacher. And you're right, this wouldn't. But you would just say, okay, well, I know that this product sells, and see they have personalization over here. You say, I'll implement this in my own store. So just really just one basic example over here of using this tool. And we can come over here and literally just do it again for any of these niches, right? Come over and take a look at, here's a good one. So Passionate.com, you could imagine what is going on here. It's a pet niche. 5,000 custom designs for pet lovers, right? Again, the theme. Big print-on-demand stores have tons and tons of products. It says over here 4,600 different products. Or is that? No, 9,800 different products. Wow. 9,800 different products. That's pretty good. 4,600 sales in the past 30 days. Over $135,000. So, again, not even product-wise. Just how about learning about the store? We're able to see things like they have a pop-up over here where they collect name and email to give a discount. Right, we can come over and browse their entire catalog, and we can take a look at what's selling over here. We can click into stuff, or what we can really just more easily do is come over here, look at best sellers, come over here, recently sold, right? We can come over here and take a look at new products, right? And we can see over here exactly when these products were added at the end of June over here. So let's take a look. This was sold earlier today. Blessed to be called Cat Mom. Personalization over here as well, right? They're able to add in the number of pets, and it looks like the pet's name as well. So pretty cool. They're putting the name over there, and right. So nice setup going on over here. Taking a look over here now. View the app list. So you say, oh, okay. I want to know what print-on-demand provider this store is using. Well, it tells you right over here. So again, it literally just, this has everything you need for print-on-demand research. Shows you the exact app that's being used in there as well. We can take a look at this one for Skullaholic, T-Launch. Okay, also Jet Print. This is probably for those all-over print designs. So you see they have that set up there. Literally all this information is available right inside your account. You could add things into your favorites. You can give it a star rating and say a great POD store and save it. So, you know, pretty self-explanatory in terms of why that's so powerful, right? Doing the same thing over here now for Product Explorer. Coming over here and doing print on demand. We could do things where they're only advertising this product on Facebook or only advertising this product on TikTok. In this case, I'm going to add in 3 very, very valuable keywords here if you're doing the pet niche: pets, cats, and dogs. And you're going to see the results that I get down over here. We're going to see some print-on-demand products. Again, we have our print-on-demand filter checked off over here. And we see we've sold 34, 34, 32, 32, 31, right? These are products that are selling right now. And you immediately notice that there's a lot of kind of personalized options in here as well, right? Personalized. And remember, you always get to click on the product and be sent right into this. This is a site called mostlypaws.com, and it's a customizable windshield cover. It's pretty cool. And again, we're seeing all these different ideas here. We can come and take a look at this one, Unlawful Threads. So here's another print-on-demand store. I like coffee and cats and maybe 3 people in the kind of Starbucks-style design. So you see that that is something that is working over here. Had what, 30-ish sales, 27 sales. Come over here is another really big print-on-demand popular product. Over here is a site called Lemons Are Blue. Just a tumbler, right? Tumbler, and this is a specific one for dogs. Obviously, you could extrapolate that out to really any niche that you want. Let's see what else we have. Custom pet portrait, of course, that's super popular. Here's an interesting one. Pocket Pals, kind of a fake pocket design with a specific design, dog breed on it, I should say. So that's from Prince Emporium. A lot of different things here, a lot of different products. How about this one? USA flag themed photo. Wow, that's pretty cool. So you personalize that. Again, here's Mostly Paws again, so they're doing really well. So what you're able to find here are that personalized products really working very well, specific to breeds and different types of animals that can work really well. See all these again making 20+ sales in the time period. So what we really want to do, and I'm just kind of clicking through here and seeing these for the first time as well, right? funkyprints.com. This is an Australian site. They have this 3 wise dogs shirt. Pretty nice design. So pretty cool there. You could look at the previews over here, so you don't need to click into them as much, but I like clicking in to actually see what the stores look like as well. So we're coming over here is that same one. This is just for cats instead of dogs. So we've got that. Really easy to do. All right, really easy to do. You put in whatever niche you want over here in your keywords, and you're going to start to see all of those ideas. So really, really simplistic, and again, it's just really all about the data here, right? Seeing what we come up with in terms of how many products were sold print on demand, right? 1,000 print on demand products sold during that time period. Come and take a look at this one, for example, stylishgears.com. Here's something that you see is specific to birth month. So you have the idea there. You can do this 12 different times, one for each birth month. That's always powerful. And we see over here, where's this at? 255 sales in the past 60 days. Same idea over here. Looks like for, this is the same site actually, for different signs, Capricorn in this case. So a lot more, you could spend hours in here just kind of going through and learning more about different stores. I highly recommend doing so, but you always want to start off with your niche, right? You saw me put in cats and dogs and pets, right? You'll put in your niche. Maybe it's fitness and gym and weightlifting and, I don't know, CrossFit, right? You can put in your niche. You'll be able to search. You'll get all those results. You'll see exactly the sales data and all that information, and then you can get design ideas based on what's actually working.